Dan, you got a lot of hose going on here. You did a lot of vacuuming today. So how do you think today went? We covered efficiency. You doing this faster, wrapping it up faster? What do you think?
I think we gained some knowledge out of it. I think we learned some efficiency. Well, we kind of tripped over some stuff here with just the circumstances, but I think that the stuff we saw with hose selection and daisy chaining, I think that's really going to be beneficial for us.
Good. And that internal wetting system. Now I know that your son there really is high on that thing. So what do you think?
It's not leaving.
It's not leaving.
It's staying here. So we're going to try it. They all felt that it's enough of a difference.
Good.
And I feel that if they feel that way, it's worth trying it.
Thank you for having us. Appreciate it.
Thanks for coming.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Thank you guys. Good.